I wanted to make a change, so I joined AutismBC when Adrian was 6 years old.
This is my husband Eddie and my son Adrian. Adrian is 26 years old and he was diagnosed with autism when he was 5.
Back in the 90s, we didn't have much provincial support. We did everything on our own. We set up home programs, sourced funds, coordinated support workers, and advocated for our children with no support or guidance. Everything fell on the shoulders of the families. As I have already gone through the whole process navigating the autism journey, I want to share my knowledge and experience with other caretakers so their journey can be a little easier. This year, COVID has hit us all hard. For families with autistic children, there have been new challenges. Many autism families were feeling isolated before COVID-19. Now that feeling is stronger than ever. Many of the supports and services the families had prior to the shutdown in the spring never fully returned. And those that did return are now in jeopardy of being discontinued again. Families are feeling more overwhelmed than ever. The switch to online learning is creating more inequality for autistic children because they often need more hands-on services at school. Caretakers are spending more time with their children without getting the respite they need. Families of autistic adults are burnt out, trying to make ends meet during these uncertain times.
The world may have slowed down, but autism hasn't. The waitlist for a public-funded autism assessment continues to grow. Families are waiting over approximately 73 weeks for an autism assessment in BC. Because of COVID, the wait is at a historic high. As typical resources have changed or are no longer available, they also feel uncertain about what they can do during the wait. Overall, the stress is mounting with no end in sight.
Since COVID-19, AutismBC's phone and email information and support service have been busier than ever. Our resource team has responded to 4,783 inquiries, and we saw a 30% increase in March, with 1/3 of the inquiries directly linked to COVID. The one question that was asked most was, who do I talk to about my concern? People are looking to talk to a person who understands them and can help them find the right support and resources.
That's why we've moved our in-person programs and services online and ensure that we have the resources to respond to the needs and voices of our community while following COVID-19 safety measures. Through virtual programs like our Waiting for Assessment workshops, community support groups, coffee meetups, and AutismBC Goes events, autistic people, children and youth, families and caregivers throughout the province can access information, talk to professionals and each other for support, and connect in fun ways so they don't feel isolated.
For parents and caregivers whose autistic children's home services have been cancelled, we've created an online behavioral support at home for parents workshop. Now, more than ever, AutismBC needs to be there to respond to the needs of the autism community. This holiday season, you can help by giving to the Coping Through COVID Fund. The Coping Through COVID Fund will go towards virtual programs that provide social connection, support mental health, and reduce isolation to help autistic individuals and families not only survive, but thrive. A $20 donation can help an autistic youth take part in a virtual AutismBC Goes event. A $50 donation can help a parent or caregiver attend a Waiting for Assessment or behavior support at home workshop. A $100 donation can help an autistic youth to have free AutismBC Goes experience for 1 year. A $250 donation can fund an AutismBC virtual coffee meetup for 1 year. We're all in this together, and together we'll get through it.